super simple. I'm not really arte with my skincare products. I'm arte with my makeup. Like, no lie. I ice, kasi if I don't have my ice roller, I use ice to close my pores. And then I use my face mist that cleanses my face also. I'll do it before and after makeup. So then I'll do my makeup light, like, okay, I have my concealer and then my blush and my kilay and then my lipstick. Those are the most important things to go throughout my day. And then at the end of the day, I'll remove my makeup. RSG is a great makeup remover as well. So I use it to remove my makeup, and then I'll wash with a facial wash, and then I'll use the face mist. I'm so bad kasi madalas ako sa derma, so I don't even put like moisturizer. I'm tamad. Sometimes I'll put like coconut oil just because I love natural stuff. And parang nasanay ako because when I was pregnant, I would always use coconut oil over my stretch marks. And okay, anyway, too much info. So since it worked so well, I didn't get stretch marks. I thought, hey, it should be great also for my face. So I put coconut oil before that.
Got it.
That is the whole routine.